Interface headquarter building on Peachtree Street. We have a rainwater system here in this brand new well certified building. Let's take a look inside. The Interface water harvesting system on Spring Street in Atlanta, Georgia. This is our system. They have a nice description of the system. Kind of hard to read through the window, but very nicely done. The tank is a 15,000 gallon Ecovie tank, which comes in fiberglass panels, is assembled on site. And the reason we use this tank is because, I think you can see, we're in a parking structure. Access was a little bit hard, and this was able to put the right amount of capacity in a small amount of space as possible, and it was a tight squeeze, so this was easily done with the Ecovie tank. Gallon cistern. The pipe right in the middle of the picture here is coming from our transfer pumps. We have 2 transfer pumps running in duplex. That water comes over here to our treatment skid. I'll show you how it works. Again, we have a sediment filter that removes anything that's in the water down to about 30 microns. Then we go into a UV that disinfects the water. This water is being used for toilet flushing and also for irrigation. And then the water goes across here to our 500 gallon buffer tank, a little bit far back. From there, the water goes to our booster system, which is pumps at about 120 gallons per minute to the whole building. Well, not the whole building, the whole building for non-potable uses. City water treatment. In this case, we're treating the water to make it more healthy for people in the building. The main thing we're doing is removing chlorine, which is a known carcinogen, but other things as well. So let me step you through the process. We have a sediment filter. It's our first step. It automatically backwashes. Then we have a second, finer sediment filter. The purpose of these two is really to protect the main filter, which is the charged membrane filter, or CMF. It filters down to a nano level and takes out any pathogens, viruses that might be there, as well as other inorganics, heavy metals, and things like that. And then we have a high intensity UV to disinfect. And then we have a carbon filter. The carbon filter is to remove the chlorine and makes water taste great. We actually measure, make sure that the chlorine's been taken out, because we measure ORP, or oxidative reductive potential, and we have a readout right here. It's reading 157 right now, and we're actually in the process of calibrating to make sure we're removing all of the chlorine.